Hello and welcome to my object show. Here are the contestants. Your first challenge is to tell me how many hexagons are on this piece of paper. Go! 10? Wrong.
It's got to be 5.
Wrong.
Hey, tennis racket, let's be friends.
Sorry, but I need to figure out this question. Well, I know the answer.
It's 7.
It's 7. Wrong. There are some pentagons and octagons, so if I don't include them, it's 6. Ha! Now I know the answer. It's 6. Correct. Now you have immunity. But I was going to say that. Comment a letter in square brackets to vote for who you want to be eliminated from the show. Voting ends in 3 days.